Want a fast and flavorful dinner? This air fryer ranch chicken recipe comes together in minutes. Start by slicing up a couple of bell peppers, some onion, and about a pound of chicken breast. Season it with 1 tablespoon of ranch seasoning, 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Toss everything until it's well coated. Place the mixture in your air fryer basket, cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, giving it a good shake halfway through. When it's done, the chicken is juicy, the onions are caramelized, and the peppers are perfectly tender. This works great on its own, in tacos, or over rice. For more quick air fryer recipes you can actually use on a busy weeknight, hit that like and subscribe. Simple ingredients, 1 basket, and dinner's ready. That's how we conquer the kitchen. If you like that recipe, check out my video for crispy air fryer chicken thighs.